Colorado Springs, Colorado. We're here at P-Tech. We're about to pull all of our stuff out and get set up for the Blue Collar Tour 2024. Let's get it.
I actually have one student who's never been a welder before. She's never been in welding. I talked her into trying welding last year. So she came in this year. She's actually one of the top welders in my class right now. Women in the trades, for me, women seem to be almost better at welding because they seem to be more calm. Like guys, I get stressed out when I have to do something, and women just don't seem to be stressed out about that kind of stuff. Being able to stay calm, it helps with their actual weld beads. I would love to see more women in trades. I mean, not only in welding, their ideas and inputs could help, so their attention to detail is going to help us out in the long run. The trades are what's keeping this country running right now. Without the trades, you're not going to have your auto mechanics. You're not going to have new buildings. You're not going to have new houses. If you don't have a house, where are you going to live? Dig a hole underground. I mean, there's just so much stuff in the trades that are due to people actually being in the trades. Without all that, it's just a boring world.
First things first, I want to start off by saying thank you. From the bottom of our hearts here at Western Welding Academy, we want to say thank you because we appreciate you guys. Ultimately, we could not do this if it wasn't for you, okay? So thank you guys very much. Now, students, look at these people. Look up to these guys, okay? These teachers, they show up here every single day for you. Being a teacher isn't always the most glamorous job, and it can be really hard, okay? They show up every day through thick and thin, through your good attitudes and your bad attitudes. They come here. They want what's best for the next generation of kids, or they wouldn't be here. They could be anywhere in the world right now, but they decided to be here today with you guys. So make sure you take what they have to say to heart. Listen to them. Okay, look up to them because they ultimately want what's best for you. So one more time, let's give these guys a round of applause. Thank you guys so much. We really do appreciate you. We are constantly told going through school that college is the only way, that you will only be successful if you go to college. Well, I'm here to tell you now that that is not entirely true. You don't have to go to college, but you can if you want to. But we're here to encourage you to find a trade. Okay, there's a lot of different trades out there, and this country is dependent of it. This country is actually facing a national security threat, that being a lack of blue-collar workers. Build Submarines, which is a department of the Navy, is sponsoring us because they have a shortage of 100,000 workers. They're trying to build 2 submarines a year, and they're struggling to find the people to do it. We need the machinists to make the parts, so the mechanics can put together the motors, so the farmers can make the food, okay? That's so important. We need the carpenters to build the houses, the electricians to run the electricity, so we can charge our phones and turn on our lights. We need the plumbers for fresh water and to get rid of our waste. We need the welders to build the bridges, all the miles and miles of pipeline. There's not one thing you don't touch every day that a welder or a machinist didn't have their hands on. If you start looking, I promise you will see it. So we want you guys to be inspired, find a trade, work with your hands, and let's build this country, all right?
Blue Collar Tour 2024! What's up, guys? We're just wrapping it up here at P-Tech in Colorado Springs, Colorado. What a great day, really respectful kids. We had a really good time. We're wrapping it up. We're going to Durango, Colorado, Blue Collar Tour 2024. Let's build America!